So it's day 3 here, and I had a pretty of a rough start this morning. Pulled up the first floor sheet and found that there was some significant water damage, deterioration on the joists below. Now this was a bit of a surprise because the chipboard flooring appeared to be in pretty good shape. But when we actually pulled it up, we found that there'd been a significant amount of water seeping down between the joints. So where the plastic groove piece was sitting, there was actually a large amount of water across multiple joists there that had caused some significant damage over time. So now that's going to be something that has to be repaired as well, some extra timber put in there. Fortunately, we've got a very capable builder on this job, and what he's decided to do is run some new parallel timbers, leave the existing ones in place, but those new ones you can see in here are going to give our new floor sheeting the support that it needs moving forward. And by the end of day 3 here, you can see our walls are looking kind of similar, but we've got all our new floor sheeting. So a lot more solid than what we were dealing with before here. Obviously we don't have no drain points in at the moment, but flooring's done, it's solid. Another point is we had a bit of a comment from one of our viewers yesterday saying, well, hey, why are we using those timbers as temporary props? Yes, they were propping up temporarily, but now they've been put in place here as permanent stud frames to hold up our beam here. And you can see we're nice and clear in between those for where our toilet cistern is going to go in. So that's all looking good. One of the other important things we did here this morning was go through and actually measure out where our bathtub was going to go. So you can see a bit of marker on the stud frame there. That's where the end of the bathtub's going to be. We know where our toilet's going to be because we've got our block out for our cistern here. So I've also got some marks on our stud frame here, which shows us the height of the vanity that we're going to be installing here. The plumbing's got to go in now, so we need to have all of this planned. I've also been told by our builder that we're not expecting too long now until our new window frame comes. So when that comes up, you'll see our plywood will come down here. We'll have a new single window frame in there. And on top of that, just a bit of a look above. Yes, we've still got our ceiling missing. We've got a bit of insulation still hanging up there, but no ceiling rough-ins happened yet. So that's on the to-do list for the near future. Short update for today. We'll see you tomorrow.